Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take a GIF selfie on your Samsung S25 Ultra as a message to send it off. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have a quirky camera feature that lets you record short animated selfie to send as looping GIFs. So this is great in messages where you want to send a looping image of yourself to the other person. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the message app. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on the person who you want to send this GIF image. Next, go ahead and tap on the plus sign and now scroll down and then you'll see this Selfie GIF. Go ahead and tap on this. Now go ahead and get ready and then go ahead and show your face. Now as you can see, it has taken a 3-second clip. Once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on send, or if you're not happy, you can tap on restart, start again. And now once you're happy with that, send it off. And now the other person has received a GIF selfie of yourself as a message on their phone. So this makes conversation more expressive, personal, and fun. It's great for reactions or celebrating moments. So there you go guys, that is how to send a GIF selfie on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.